my channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of upcycling fashion. If you are passionate about sustainable fashion and looking for creative ways to repurpose your old clothes, you are in the right place. There's also a DIY fashion project included in today's video. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the basic tools and materials you will need for upcycling. You don't need a lot to get started. Just some essentials like a good pair of fabric scissors, needles and threads, or a sewing machine if you have one, pins, these kind of pins to hold the fabric in place, measuring tape and fabric marker, and of course your fabric scraps or old clothes. These are the building blocks of any upcycling project. Now let's look at some eye-opening facts about textile waste and the fashion industry. Did you know that the average person throws away about 30 kgs of clothing each year? And globally, the fashion industry is responsible for 10% of the world's carbon emissions. That's more than all international flights and maritime shipping combined. By upcycling, we can help reduce this waste and make a positive impact on our planet. Alright, time for a fun DIY project. Today I am going to show you how to turn fabric scraps into a beautiful scarf. It's a simple project that's perfect for beginners. First, gather your fabric scraps. You can use pieces from old clothes or leftover fabrics from other projects. The more colorful it is, the better. Place all the fabric pieces next to each other in a pattern you like. Cut the edges neatly so the fabric is straight. Don't worry if the sizes of the fabric are different. It adds to the charm.
After you place the fabrics the way you want in the pattern you like, hold the edges of two fabrics together and attach them with a stitch. You will get a strip of patched fabrics like this. Here in this example you have small pieces, so the stitching is more. But if you have bigger strips, bigger fabric pieces together, the stitching will be less. You can even do hand sewing or with the machine. Once you get the patched fabric strip, go to the wrong side and join the edges vertically so it becomes a tube. Reverse it like this. You will end up with something like this where both the sides are clean.
Once you finish stitching the side and prepare this tube, join the both ends like how I did over here. So you will get a loop kind of scarf. This is a loop. There is no open end in it. It's a loop.
The measurements of this scarf are 60 inches by 20 inches before stitching, 30 inches by 10 inches after stitching.
And there you have it. A unique handmade scarf. Isn't it amazing what you can create with just a few fabric scraps? This scarf is not only stylish but also eco-friendly. By upcycling, we are giving new life to old materials and reducing our environmental footprint. Upcycling fashion is more than just a fun hobby. It's a powerful way to reduce waste and promote sustainability. Every time we choose to upcycle, we are helping to decrease the demand for new resources and lower our carbon footprint. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more upcycling projects, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's make fashion sustainable together, one project at a time. See you in the next video. Bye.